So let's begin the video. First off, open your control panel here and go on network and internet, and here go on network and sharing center. Click on it, and here you can see your Wi-Fi connections access type, and click on the Wi-Fi, and here you need to go on properties, and here scroll down until you find internet protocol version 6. Then untick it, press OK, and then close it. After that, you should restart your PC. Then go and check if the site is properly working. If not, then you need to go on search here, and here search proxy settings. Then maximize, and here if you are using any manual proxy setup, then just turn it off. I am not using any, so you need to turn off any manual proxy setup you are using here. And then the third fix it, if this all does not fix your issue, then the third fix should be you need to go here on the start menu, right click on it, and here go to settings. And here in the home page you will be shown these options. In the left side you need to see network and internet. Click on it, and here you can see Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi and network settings, and here you need to go on advanced network settings, and here you can see network reset. Click on the network reset and then reset your network, and then after that restart your PC in every step you have done. Then this should be working, and this was it about the video. If you like the video, please hit like, subscribe and share, and thank you. Have a nice day.